Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my analysis on the important forex currency pairs including British pound and US dollar. And sorry, uh, I do not have any professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Probably you will be hearing uh, kids shouting outside on the streets. They are playing. Okay. Anyways, this video is for 24th Feb Wednesday only. So this analysis is valid for today only. Okay. Tomorrow I'll come down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So let's look at the chart of British pound and US dollar. You can see that British pound US dollar is right now trading at 1.4136. Okay. And beautifully it is following the 50 period moving average. This is a 50 period moving average, this blue line. You can also use it. So whenever it is correcting, it is taking support and we are seeing some price rejection and it is going up again. Okay, so right now it is trading at 1.4135. Okay, so let the price come down to this 50 period moving average. Let the price come down to this 50 period moving average. Suppose after some time you see that price came down. Suppose this is the 50 per moving average. Price came down to the 50 per moving average, and if you see some price rejection from below like this, okay, if you see that okay, price is bouncing off from this, then you can go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, and what will be the target? Your first target will be this, and your second target will be this. This will be a safe target, 1.4200. Okay, this will be your second target. And in case you see some action in this area, okay, in case you see some action in this area, and if it successfully breaks this particular level, 1.42391, you can see on the screen, okay, this level. If market successfully breaks this particular level and crosses this level, then you can go ahead and place the buy order, but you should not buy right away. Just wait for some time, for say 45 minutes or 1 hour. Let the price stay above this level for a certain period of time. Let the resistance become the support. Then only you'll get a confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support and it will be in favor. Okay, it will be in your favor. So if you see that after breakout market is trading comfortably above this level for say 1 hour, then only you go ahead and place the buy order. It will be your favorable in terms of risk to reward. Okay, and already I have told you, if it comes down and reverses from here, then also you can go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, so this 50 period moving average is important and this level is important for today. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, then please visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.